In this video, I'll be reviewing Yii Framework, a high-performance PHP framework designed for developing robust web applications. Yii is well known for its efficiency, flexibility, and speed in handling large-scale projects. When you first land on the Yii website, you will see the clean, minimalist design that offers straightforward access to documentation, community resources, and a wealth of tools. This simplicity makes it easy for both beginners and experienced developers to get started. The main feature of Yii is its ability to simplify the web development process, offering built-in tools for authentication, security, database management, and caching, which are essential for modern web applications. These out-of-the-box solutions save you time and help you avoid reinventing the wheel. Yii also offers exceptional performance with its lazy loading feature, enabling only the components you need to load at runtime, which leads to faster execution and less resource consumption. One of the standout aspects of Yii Framework is its active record pattern for database interaction, making it easy to work with databases and queries without needing to write complex SQL manually. For developers accustomed to working with an MVC architecture, Yii follows this pattern closely, making it a familiar choice for anyone experienced in web development. The framework also supports RESTful API development, which is highly beneficial for building modern, data-driven applications. In terms of community support, Yii has a large and active user base, with a comprehensive range of tutorials, documentation, and forums that can help you solve any issues you encounter while working with the framework. This level of support is especially important when you're working on complex projects, as having access to experienced developers can make a big difference. While Yii is an excellent framework for large, complex applications, it might not be the best choice for smaller projects or those who are new to PHP. There is a learning curve involved, especially if you are unfamiliar with MVC frameworks. However, once you get the hang of it, Yii offers a highly efficient environment for rapid application development. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These links might help you explore additional tools or frameworks that can complement your work with Yii. Overall, Yii Framework is a solid choice for developers looking to build high-performance, secure web applications. Whether you are working on a large enterprise project or a high-traffic website, Yii provides all the tools necessary to get the job done efficiently. If you're planning on diving into PHP web development, Yii is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It helps me a lot, and you won't miss out on any future reviews or tutorials.